Greetings from Exam Heist. We have identified important exam questions. Practice these important questions 2-3 times to get 100% success in exam. Subscribe and comment, share PDF in the below comment section to get PDF of these 40 important questions. If you want to access full dump, please visit www.examheist.com. We have 24/7 support available for your doubts and exam queries. Question 1. The Terraform state file always matches your currently built infrastructure. Option A true. Option B false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 2. One remote backend configuration always maps to a single remote workspace. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 3. How is the Terraform remote backend different than other state backends such as S3, Consul, etc.? Option A. It can execute Terraform runs on dedicated infrastructure on premises or in Terraform Cloud. Option B. It doesn't show the output of a Terraform apply locally. Option C. It is only available to paying customers. Option D. All of the above. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. It can execute Terraform runs on dedicated infrastructure on premises or in Terraform Cloud. Question 4. What is the workflow for deploying new infrastructure with Terraform? Option A. Terraform plan to import the current infrastructure to the state file, make code changes, and Terraform apply to update the infrastructure. Option B. Write a Terraform configuration. Run Terraform show to view proposed changes, and Terraform apply to create new infrastructure. Option C. Terraform import to import the current infrastructure to the state file, make code changes, and Terraform apply to update the infrastructure. Option D. Write a Terraform configuration. Run Terraform init. Run Terraform plan to view planned infrastructure changes, and Terraform apply to create new infrastructure. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Write a Terraform configuration. Run Terraform init. Run Terraform plan to view planned infrastructure changes, and Terraform apply to create new infrastructure. Question 5. A provider configuration block is required in every Terraform configuration example. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 6. You run a local exec provisioner in a null resource called null resource run script, and realize that you need to rerun the script. Which of the following commands would you use first? Option A. Terraform taint null resource run script. Option B. Terraform apply target equals null resource run script. Option C. Terraform validate null resource run script. Option D. Terraform plan target equals null resource run script. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Terraform taint null resource run script. Question 7. Which provisioner invokes a process on the resource created by Terraform? Option A. Remote exec. Option B. Null exec. Option C. Local exec. Option D. 5. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Remote exec. Question 8. Which of the following is not true of Terraform providers? Option A. Providers can be written by individuals. Option B. Providers can be maintained by a community of users. Option C. Some providers are maintained by HashiCorp. Option D. Major cloud vendors and non-cloud vendors can write, maintain, or collaborate on Terraform providers. Option E, none of the above. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option E, none of the above. Question 9. What command does Terraform require the first time you run it within a configuration directory? Option A, Terraform import. Option B, Terraform init. Option C, Terraform plan. Option D, Terraform workspace. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, Terraform init. Question 10. You have deployed a new web app with a public IP address on a cloud provider. However, you did not create any outputs for your code. What is the best method to quickly find the IP address of the resource you deployed? Option A, run Terraform output IP address to view the result. Option B, in a new folder, use the Terraform remote state data source to load in the state file. Then write an output for each resource that you find the state file. Option C, run Terraform state list to find the name of the resource. Then Terraform state show to find the attributes including public IP address. Option D, run Terraform destroy, then Terraform apply and look for the IP address installed. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, run Terraform state list to find the name of the resource. Then Terraform state show to find the attributes including public IP address. Question 11. Which of the following is not a key principle of infrastructure as code? Option A, versioned infrastructure. Option B, golden images. Option C, idempotence. Option D, self-describing infrastructure. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, golden images. Question 12. Terraform variables and outputs that set the description argument will store that description in the state file. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 13. What is the provider for this fictitious resource? Option A, VPC. Option B, main. Option C, AWS. Option D, test. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, AWS. Question 14. If you manually destroy infrastructure, what is the best practice reflecting this change in Terraform? Option A, run Terraform refresh. Option B, it will happen automatically. Option C, manually update the state file. Option D, run Terraform import. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, run Terraform refresh. Question 15. What is not processed when running a Terraform refresh? Option A, state file. Option B, configuration file. Option C, credentials. Option D, cloud provider. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, configuration file. Question 16. What information does the public Terraform module registry automatically expose about published modules? Option A, required input variables. Option B, optional inputs variables and default values. Option C, outputs. Option D, all of the above. Option E, none of the above. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 17. If a module uses local values, you can expose that value with Terraform output. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, true. Question 18. You should store secret data in the same version control repository as your Terraform configuration. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 19. Which of the following is not a valid string function in Terraform? Option A, split. Option B, join. Option C, slice. Option D, chomp. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, slice. Question 20. You have provisioned some virtual machines VMs on Google Cloud Platform GCP using the Cloud Command Line tool. However, you are standardizing with Terraform and want to manage these VMs using Terraform instead. What are the two things you must do to achieve this? Choose 2. Option A, provision new VMs using Terraform with the same VM names. Option B, use the Terraform import command for the existing VMs. Option C, write Terraform configuration for the existing VMs. Option D, run the Terraform import GCP command. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Use the Terraform import command for the existing VMs. Option C. Write Terraform configuration for the existing VMs. Question 21. You have recently started a new job at a retailer as an engineer. As part of this new role, you have been tasked with evaluating multiple outages that occurred during peak shopping time during the holiday season. Your investigation found that the team is manually deploying new compute instances and configuring each compute instance manually. This has led to inconsistent configuration between each compute instance. How would you solve this using infrastructure as code? Option A, implement a ticketing workflow that makes engineers submit a ticket before manually provisioning and configuring a resource. Option B, implement a checklist that engineers can follow when configuring compute instances. Option C, replace the compute instance type with a larger version to reduce the number of required deployments. Option D, implement a provisioning pipeline that deploys infrastructure configurations committed to your version control system. Following code reviews, choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Implement a provisioning pipeline that deploys infrastructure configurations committed to your version control system following code reviews. Question 22. Terraform init initializes a sample main.df file in the current directory. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 23. Which two steps are required to provision new infrastructure in the Terraform workflow? Choose 2. Option A, destroy. Option B, apply. Option C, import. Option D, init. Option E, validate. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, apply. Option D, init. Question 24. Why would you use the Terraform taint command? Option A, when you want to force Terraform to destroy a resource on the next apply. Option B, when you want to force Terraform to destroy and recreate a resource on the next apply. Option C, when you want Terraform to ignore a resource on the next apply. Option D, when you want Terraform to destroy all the infrastructure in your workspace. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, when you want to force Terraform to destroy and recreate a resource on the next apply. Question 25. Terraform requires the Go runtime as a prerequisite for installation. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 26. When should you use the force unlock command? Option A, you see a status message that you cannot acquire the lock. Option B, you have a high priority change. Option C, automatic unlocking failed. Option D, you apply failed due to a state lock. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, automatic unlocking failed. Question 27. Terraform can import modules from a number of sources. Which of the following is not a valid source? Option A, FTP server. Option B, GitHub repository. Option C, local path. Option D, Terraform module registry. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, FTP server. Question 28. Which of the following is available only in Terraform Enterprise or Cloud Workspaces, and not in Terraform CLI? Option A, secure variable storage. Option B, support for multiple cloud providers. Option C, dry runs with Terraform plan. Option D, using the workspace as a data source. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, secure variable storage. Question 29. Terraform validate validates the syntax of Terraform files. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, true. Question 30. You have used Terraform to create an ephemeral development environment in the cloud, and are now ready to destroy all the infrastructure described by your Terraform configuration. To be safe, you would like to first see all the infrastructure that will be deleted by Terraform. Which command should you use to show all of the resources that will be deleted? Choose 2. Option A, run Terraform plan destroy. Option B, this is not possible. You can only show resources that will be created. Option C, run Terraform state rm. Option D, run Terraform destroy and it will first output all the resources that will be deleted before prompting for approval. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, run Terraform plan destroy. Option D, run Terraform destroy and it will first output all the resources that will be deleted before prompting for approval. Question 31. Which of the following is the correct way to pass the value in the variable num servers into a module with the input servers? Option A, servers equals num servers. Option B, servers equals variable num servers. Option C, servers equals var num servers. Option D, servers equals var num servers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, servers equals var num servers. Question 32. A Terraform provision must be nested inside a resource configuration block. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, true. Question 33. Terraform can run on Windows or Linux, but it requires a server version of the Windows operating system. Option A, true. Option B, false. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, false. Question 34. What does the default local Terraform backend store? Option A, plan files. Option B, Terraform binary. Option C, provider plugins. Option D, state file. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, state file. Question 35. You have multiple team members collaborating on infrastructure as code ISC using Terraform and want to apply formatting standards for readability. How can you format Terraform HCL HashiCorp configuration language code according to standard Terraform style convention? Option A. Run the Terraform FMT command during the code linting phase of your CI/CD process. Option B. Designate one person in each team to review and format everyone's code. Option C. Manually apply two spaces indentation and a line =sign equals characters in every Terraform file. TF. Option D. Write a shell script to transform Terraform files using tools such as awk, Python, and sed. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Run the Terraform FMT command during the code linting phase of your CI/CD process. Question 36. What value does the Terraform Cloud Terraform Indraya's private module registry provide over the public Terraform module registry? Option A. The ability to share modules with public Terraform users and members of Terraform Indraya's organizations. Option B. The ability to tag modules by version or release. Option C. The ability to restrict modules to members of Terraform Cloud or Indraya's organizations. Option D. The ability to share modules publicly with any user of Terraform. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. The ability to restrict modules to members of Terraform Cloud or Indraya's organizations. Question 37. Which task does Terraform init not perform? Option A. Sources all providers present in the configuration and ensures they are downloaded and available locally. Option B. Connects to the backend. Option C. Sources any modules and copies the configuration locally. Option D. Validates all required variables are present. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Validates all required variables are present. Question 38. You have declared a variable called varList, which is a list of objects that all have an attribute id. Which options will produce a list of the IDs? Choose 2. Option A. For O in varList, O equals OID. Option B. varList id. Option C. varList id. Option D. For O in varList, OID. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. varList id. Option D. For O in varList, OID. Question 39. Which argument is required when declaring a Terraform variable? Option A. Type. Option B. Default. Option C. Description. Option D. All of the above. Option E. None of the above. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option E. None of the above. Question 40. When using a module block to reference a module stored on the public Terraform module registry such as, how do you specify version 1.0.0? Option A. Modules stored on the public Terraform module registry do not support versioning. Option B. Append ref equals v1.0.0 argument to the source path. Option C. Add version equals 1.0.0 attribute to module block. Option D. Nothing. Modules stored on the public Terraform module registry always default to version 1.0.0. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Add version equals 1.0.0 attribute to module block.